Hi everyone, I'm Ariele from the StratifyPro support team, and today I'm going to walk through the risk management features of StratifyPro. In this short video, I'll guide you through the process of turning potential roadblocks into opportunities. We'll cover everything from identifying risks to implementing mitigation strategies, ensuring your projects stay on track for success. So let's get started. In StratifyPro, we view risks as potential roadblocks that could impact your goals, projects, actions, or key metrics. We help you track these risks by focusing on several key areas. Let's dive in and see how it works. From a strategy plan page, let's go ahead and select a specific goal to associate a risk with. Let's choose one now by clicking on this goal name. This will bring up the goals sidebar. Let's click on risks right over here. In this case, there are no risks defined for this goal yet, so you will see a screen like this. Simply click on Create a Risk. Here's where you'll provide details about the risk. You will notice all these fields are required. Let's give the risk a clear and concise name. I'll go ahead and give this risk the name delay due to supplier issues. In the description box, explain the potential event and its impact on your goals. In this case, let's add the description: a delay in receiving key materials could push back the project launch date. Now, we'll assess the likelihood of this happening as well as the impact or weight of the risk. StratifyPro uses a ranking system of low, medium, and high, where you choose from the scale of 1 to 10, where 1 is the lowest and 10 is the highest risk. First, let's add an estimate of the likelihood of this happening to this risk using the scale of 1 to 10. Weight or impact rates the potential severity of the risk's consequences, low, medium, high on a scale of 1 to 10. Let's go ahead and add that right here. StratifyPro uses these ratings to automatically calculate a risk score based on likelihood times impact. Let's now click Next to enter additional details about the risk. If you have an idea of when the risk might occur, specify the time expected using the date picker. Or you can simply assign it the same time expected as the goal by clicking here. Next, categorize the risk type by using the drop-down. In our case, this is an economic risk type. You can select more than one if you like. Now assign an owner responsible for monitoring and managing the risk. All these people in the drop-down are from your workspace. Finally, you can elect to share this risk with anyone from your workspace as well. Note that this is optional. Click Submit to save the risk. Now, you'll see that the Risk tab contains information about all risks for this goal. In this case, we have one risk with its categorized severity. If we had more risks, they would show up here as well. You also have information about if a risk is open or closed. I'll explain more on this later in this video. For now, let's discuss mitigation plans. Mitigations are actions you take to prevent the risk from happening or reduce its impact. You can see under each risk there is the opportunity to add mitigations right here. Simply start adding the name of a mitigation. For this example, let's add the mitigation contact supplier 2 weeks before expected shipment to confirm. Click Submit to save the mitigation. Each mitigation becomes a specific step you'll take to address the risk. As you add and submit mitigations to a risk, you will see them added here. You can click here if the mitigation has been satisfied or leave it open. You can also track the risk's completion within StratifyPro. As long as a risk is ongoing, you will see it here as open. StratifyPro keeps the risk open until you're confident the threat has passed and all mitigations satisfied. Once you've addressed a risk and it's no longer a threat, you can move it to closed status. This keeps the information documented for future reference. This video focused on creating and managing individual risks. Reporting on risks and risk relationships are covered in separate StratifyPro videos. The takeaway for this video: StratifyPro's risks feature empowers you to proactively identify and address potential threats, ensuring your goals stay on track for success. Thank you for joining me today.